Hello everyone, my name is Shakar from IT Office. Today I'm going to show you how to add a post in your website. First of all, open your browser and write komar.edu.iq/English/name your department, for example MLS, and /wp-admin and press enter. And log in with your account. Write your username and password. And here is your dashboard. Go to the top MLS and visit site. Here's your website, and here's the latest news that come in here automatically. If you go to news tab, here's all news that you posted. And if you want to add a new post, go to the top and new post. Click on post. Here's the title of the post and the paragraph. I want to transfer the old news in all website to the new website. So write mls.komar.edu.iq and go to activity and news. I posted this news already and I want to post another. Go to down. I want to add this post. So copy the title and paste it here. And go back. Open in new tab the image and save as the image in your computer. I make it a folder for activities, and for each news I make it a folder and rename it with the title of the folder of the news and save it in that folder. Copy all the paragraph and select it and paste it in the paragraph boxes. I want to make the link here to open a new tab when they click it. So click to edit and check the open link, a new tab, and in the right side and publish immediately, edit and make it to the post that publish it. Here it is for May 27, 2017, and make it here May 4, 2017, and click OK. In the format, select gallery and the categories, choose news, and in the down featured image, select a featured image, upload from your computer this image that we save it in the folder and open. It's used for the thumbnail of the news that we post, and add a gallery, add to gallery, and you can select it a bunch of photos if you have, but now we have only one photo, and go down in discussion and check the allow comments. Now it's ready for publishing, but before you can preview before publishing. Here are the news that all is great, and now we can publish. Click on publish. Now it's published and we can preview now. Here's our news. If we go to news tab, then we will see our news that we posted. Go down and load more. Here's the news that we posted. If you open, show you all the details of the news.